Hello folks. So we're going to be working with doing an inspection on Plant-H03. I really wish these things were 100% radially symmetrical, because if you look at this, I'm turning the plant and things are just off the screen or out, off the field of view. But hopefully during the maintenance process and pedicuring these plants, one frame would catch the entire plant, and that's pretty much as good as I can hope for. And hopefully all y'all can see what I'm doing. As you know, this is a brand new channel and I have never videotaped anything in my life. So don't hate. I'm still learning. Now, overall, this looks like a very good plant. Very compact. To most people, they would say, ooh, ah, what a plant. For me, I don't like compact. I like open, airy. Because all of these pictures you see will interfere with future pictures if the pictures cannot squeeze through the masses. So what I'm gonna do is just see what's going on. So this is a really old picture right here. You can see. Maybe not. Maybe shine another light on it. Now you can see. Can you see the spot right here? Kind of gross, right? So I'm going to remove it. Let me use some tweezers so you can see what's going on. Take these guys, go right behind the lid where it is attached to the petiole. Again, don't hate. That's what I'm calling it for now. If you know the exact terminology of that thing that connects the picture to the main stem, please comment below. And I'll be sure to use it in future videos. Clip. And there you go. Now, the way the picture is cut, there is no way this can be propagated. But then again, I may have some hardcore carnivorous enthusiast out there that says, you're wrong, dude! I can totally propagate that. Well, let me know. You could be the first. So, now that I made room, now I'll pull this one down to take its place. And I'm looking at this. Everything looks good. I'm gonna put on my headlamp because I can't see. So sorry for the lighting. But oh well. First timer. Video. What do you want? Oh, by the way, if you know a really good way to mount an overhead light or gear that can shine on this plant, make it more visible for you guys to view, please comment below. I would have definitely appreciate it. Because as I was looking at some of the other videos I created, I realized, can't see that well. So there you go. Now I'm looking back here and I do see there are developing pictures like this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this one develop here, right here. are they? Oh, would you look at that? There's a little pitcher down there waiting to come out. This is the dilemma when you're growing these plants. You see a picture like this. It's nice, it's okay. Little brown on the outside. Do you get rid of it to make room for others? Or do you leave it and sacrifice the young'uns? But then again, remember, we do have this thing that's going to grow. This little pitcher right here. So I think it's okay. I'll leave it for now. Again, it is difficult to remove really nice looking pictures. So hopefully you guys can see. You're right here. You can see all these little pictures down there growing. I have some good plants. And then here you see a picture. Oh, no you don't. Here. There. You see a picture way down in here that's developing but nowhere to go. So this is the whole purpose of spending so much time on these things, is to make sure these things don't happen, because this pictures here is crowding out, is preventing others from moving forward. So what do? I'm going to remove it, even though it's a young plant, but if it's deep under like this, it doesn't serve any purpose. And also I'll go remove that. So be real careful when you're removing things like this, so you don't accidentally remove something that doesn't belong. So I'm going to hold on to the base with this one and then just follow it with the scissors and nip. And out comes the picture. There you go. Oh, don't you feel better? It's almost like the dentist pulling teeth. Except there's no screams or torment. So here you can see there's a leaf that's yellowing, so I'll go ahead and remove that while I'm in here. And there's a picture there, there's a picture. Okay, so here there are two pictures that you can see. Well, once I shine the light on it, you will. Do you see the two pictures right there? Here. Alright, these two pictures don't serve any purpose, so I'm going to remove them. This picture, no service, no purpose. And this one, no purpose. Alright. And then you have this one growing here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's another one growing right here. It's not going to do much, so I'll go ahead and remove that too. Now you might say, you know what, why don't you just sacrifice the older pictures and let the new ones grow? Well, it really depends on how much nutrients and how well you're feeding the plant, because the new pictures, like this one, is never guaranteed to grow as big as the others. So I much rather retain larger, more robust pictures for aesthetics, rather than just letting this thing go all by itself. So yeah, so otherwise I think this plant is good. I think I've spent enough time on it. Oh, notice something. There's a pitcher right behind it trying to grow. Ow. So let me see if I can just gently nudge it. Gently nudge it. Ooh. Do you see what I just did there? There's this little pitcher right there that was growing right behind this pitcher right here. It was like tucked up way back there. So I just moved it over and placed it right between these pitchers. So hopefully now it will straighten out and grow in its new place and squeeze through. Matter of fact, I wonder if I can just put it all the way through the ground so it doesn't have to work so hard. Oh, is it gonna work? Oh, I think it did. There we go. And move this back a little. So there it is. And there it is. Its new home. Hopefully it will grow and cover this area right here. So now I don't need to sacrifice this pitcher for another month or so. Alright, so as far as this plant goes, I think we're good. Let's feed it. So I'm going to feed these three pitchers right here. 1, 2, 3, and there's another one right here. Okay, and this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me top it off with distilled water right here, so it's a little bit dilute. And then if we come over here, I'll also feed this one down here. Again, if you're asking, what's he using 2 syringes? Well, one is this dilute fertilizer. The other one is water. The water is to dilute the dilute fertilizer even more. And then let's see, this one. Okay, so if you look, there's 1, 2, and 3. So I'm gonna feed these 3 as well. So little bit, little bit, little bit. Top it off, top it off, top it off. And maybe this one. Also, yeah, this one. Okay, we're good. What do you think of this one? Well, comment below. And again, if you know a good gear to for overlight lighting to put more brightness onto this area, let me know. Comment in the below. Appreciate your help. Thank you for watching and have a great day.